You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Joy, bringing you another video. If you are new here, welcome. We are glad to have you. If you are not new here, hey cousin, I missed you so much. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my original video. It'll be linked in the cards above. It is Come Through by H.E.R featuring Chris Brown, the choreography. Today I will be showing you guys the tutorial to that choreography. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way, this dance is a heels dance. It is beginners to intermediate, more so intermediate than beginner. If you guys have a pair of heels, definitely go ahead and put them on now, but it's optional. You could do this barefoot, you could do it in tennis shoes, however you feel comfortable, whatever makes you feel comfortable, as long as you are sensual, feeling yourself, feeling your body. That's really all that's the requirement. Okay, so now that I have my heels on, we can go ahead and get started. I may count from here to there, but I'm not really a counting person, so I'm gonna just show you guys the movement and you can follow along. All right, so the first movement is a diving motion as you move forward. So it's 1, 2. Again, that is right, left, and you are going to slowly come up your body, and that is a count of 2. So right, left, left, right. Okay, just 2 counts of those. After that, you're going to go ahead and take your left leg and slide it back. Take your right leg and slide it back. You are going to be moving backwards a little bit. And I always say to go the inside on the edge of your heel so that you can easily slide back. So that is left, right. Okay, you're taking the same left leg and now you're going to bring it forward. So bring it forward and then take your right leg and bring it back. So you're in like this weird, awkward position. So again, you are going to go left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. From here, you are going to go down. All right. From the beginning. So you're going to dive right, left, 1, 2, 1, 2, left leg again, forward this time, right leg backwards, and then you're going to go down. From here, you are going to rock left to right. So rock, rock, pop, pop. Okay, so again, that is right, left, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Down, rock, rock, pop, pop. From here, you are going to swivel your head from left to right. Just a simple head shake, nothing too crazy. So left, right. You place your left knee down, right hand down, left knee forward. This is where you can sit down here. You take that right leg, slide it through, and you're here. We are going to go from the rock, rock, pop, pop, head, head, down, arm, left leg, sit, pull that right leg through, and you're here. And it's like you just chilling. So nothing too crazy. You're just chilling. So from the chill, we are going to dive. And when you're diving, make sure you're making eye contact with your man or the audience whichever one. So we're chilling and you're diving. That arching your back and up. So again, that is rock, rock, pop, pop, head, down. Bring that left leg forward. Sit on that right leg or your right hip to bring that right leg through. Chill out and then dive. Up, around, around, to swivel that leg out. And when you are rolling over, you are going to cross your legs behind you. So it looks like this, okay? And then you're going to extend those legs out to then arch your back all the way up. Crawl, and you are snaking your back as you are crawling. And then one more crawl. Snake as well. So again, that is rock, rock, pop, pop, head, down. Bring that left leg around. Sit on that right hip. Bring your right leg through. Chill out and dive. Up, around, around. Swivel that right leg down. Roll. Cross your legs behind you. Extend those legs. Arch up. Snake as you crawl forward. And snake as you crawl forward again. From here, you are going to push up off your left leg and your right arm. Extend that right leg. And you're going to push yourself up. I like to snake myself up and push that booty out and come up. Okay? So we're extended. We are coming up. Crawl. Crawl. Push off your left leg and your right arm. Snake it up. From here, you're going to come up and just face forward. So from here, you are going to pull your arms through. You're going to step out with your right leg, pull your arms through, open them and up. So it looks like this. After this, you are taking your right arm and your left arm and snapping. Your feet are going right, left. So it is come through tonight. Again, that is come through tonight. From here, you're going to do like one small chaîné turn. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Hands on your hips, or you could leave your arms down. So 1, 2, 3. Again, from that point, it is come through tonight. 1, 2, 3. And the wider your legs are, the more balance you'll have in your heels. Again, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay. From here, you are going to switch your feet. So kicking that right leg out the way with your left leg. From here, it is switch. Up, up. Look, from the beginning, that is come through tonight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So from that switch, 1, 2, 3, you're going to walk. 1, 2. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. All of that. So from that 1, 2. You are going to take it from here. So 1, 2, 3. And that's how it looks in the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, down. Again with the head, head, head. This time your head goes up before you go back. So this is what it looks like from that direction. It is so facing this direction, it looks like 1, 2, up, back. We just did the walk. 1, 2. You're gonna step out of it. 1, 2, 3. Kick, left, right, up, and pop, pop. Okay? 2 pops. So up, pop, pop. So let's do that from the top of the second part. So come through tonight. 1, 2, 3. And down. 1, 2, 3. Walk, walk, pop, up, down, right, pop, pop. I just wanted to take a brief intermission just to come and tell y'all that y'all got it. Drink your water, take your breaks. I know you're sweating right now because you're feeling it, and I'm proud of you. So you got it. Take your time. If you need to, run this video back, rewind it, keep going through the steps. You're going to get it. You got it. Let's go. So again, that is pop, pop, snake, the 1, 2, 3. It is literally like this dance right here. So pop, pop, snake, snake, 1, 2, 3. And I am starting with the left arm first. So 1, 2, 3. I'm now going to take my right hand and kick my right foot towards the left side. Kick, and you're doing this roll motion to go out. That is kick, roll, roll, out. And you are snapping with that. So the roll, roll, snap. So again, from the snake, it is snake, snake, 1, 2, 3. Kick, roll, roll, snap. Take that right arm over your head, left over your head, down, down, up, to go into a fanning motion over your head. We are almost done with this dance, so let's just go ahead and power through it. All right? Again, we're going to take it from this snap. So snap, right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, up, to fan that out over your head. Then you're going to step back and do that again over your head. So again, kick, roll, roll, snap, right, left, up, to go up, back, up. Okay? From there, we are at the end. So however you want to take that last count, those last few counts is really up to you. That part is improv. So after this, up, to go back, back, we go down, however you want to go down. However you wish to end the dance. Okay, I got a little sweat bead dripping. I hope you guys are sweating and having fun also. So we're going to take that from the top with right, left, down. Then you're going to up, left, right, left, right, left, right, back, down. To rock, rock, pop, pop, left, right, down. Bring your left leg, sit down on that hip, right leg through to chill out before we dive. Up, bring it around, swivel that right leg down, start to roll over, cross in the back, extend those legs, very strong extension to come up into that arch. You're going to crawl and crawl, come up off of that left leg, right arm into a snake motion before you come up. We are starting the second part here. Come through, tonight, spin, hit, and down, right, left, up, walk, 1, 2, 3, up, left, right, up, pop, pop, snake, 1, 2, 3, kick, roll, snap, right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, up, back, and down, however you wish to end it. Down, 1, 2, 3. However you wish to end that. Whew, that is finally over. I hope you guys had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself, learned some new moves, new skills. If you did enjoy yourself, go ahead and leave this video a like. Also, go ahead and comment down below any suggestions for songs for me to make choreography to, do a tutorial to, anything that you guys would like to see from me. And do not forget to subscribe either, okay? Also, if you guys live in the Bay Area, check me out at Full Out Studios in Oakland from June 12th to July 24th. Well, June 12th has now passed. So from Juneteenth, which is on June 19th to July 24th, from 6 to 7:30 p.m. at Full Out Studios again. Also, if you do not live in the Bay Area, but you know people that do, go ahead and share this message with them, share this video with them, and let them know to come check me out, because I will be there doing my pop-up classes for the summer. So that is all from me today. I hope to see you next time. Again, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Bye.